Most videos that promise to build a website with ChatGPT give you code and then leave you to figure out hosting, a domain, and every feature your business actually needs. But now you can connect ChatGPT directly to Wix. Talk through the website you want to build, tag @Wix, turn that conversation into a complete Wix website that you can keep editing with AI or precise drag and drop. In this video, I'll show you the entire process of using ChatGPT as a website builder, how to connect the Wix app and ChatGPT, plan a site that actually sounds like your business, generate it with @Wix, refine it in the Wix editor with the built-in AI assistant Aria, and publish it when it's ready. Wix is sponsoring today's video, and I'm excited to show you this feature because it connects the part ChatGPT is great at, helping you decide what to say and what your website needs, with a website builder that can actually put the result online. To be clear, asking ChatGPT to write code can be useful. The problem is that code is only one piece of a business website. You still need somewhere to host it. You need to connect a domain, and depending on your business, you may need to wire together forms, payments, bookings, a store, analytics, security, and search tools. Then there are tiny edits. If a heading feels a little too large or a button needs to move, describing every adjustment in a chat can take longer than simply dragging it, resizing it, or choosing a new value yourself. This Wix process gives you both. You can use a conversation to shape the big picture, then use Wix Harmony and Aria to build the site, and still click into the design whenever it changes faster to make by hand. You end up with a Wix site in your account, not a file, and a new homework assignment. First, you need a Wix account. If you don't have one yet, you can create one for free. Then come back to ChatGPT. In ChatGPT, click on Plugins on the left. In the pop-up, click Connect Wix. Sign in if you need to, review the permissions, and click Allow. You only need to connect the app once. This is what allows ChatGPT to create a Wix site in your account instead of returning code in the conversation. Now we're going to plan the site before we generate it. You can type in a one-line request into @Wix, but the more useful the context you give it, the less the AI has to guess. We made a free website blueprint prompt for this. You can run it in ChatGPT and answer a set of simple questions about your business. Who's the site for? What do you want the visitors to do? Which pages you need? Your offers, your brand voice, and the features the site needs. The blueprint maps out your pages and sections, gives you a first draft of the text, suggests the colors and fonts, and creates a shot list of the images you'll need. With ChatGPT, you can also ask it to create your logo. For photos, I recommend using your own whenever you can. ChatGPT can help you plan the shots you need or create supporting visuals. The important part is that this is a conversation. If the first color direction feels wrong, ask for 3 more. If the homepage headline is too generic, tell ChatGPT exactly what you want it to emphasize. Keep refining the blueprint until it describes your business and the website you'd like to create. Here's the difference a detailed plan makes. If I only say, build me a website for a bakery, ChatGPT has to guess who the bakery serves, what it sells, and what visitors should do. A better request would say, create a website for a neighborhood bakery that specializes in custom birthday and wedding cakes. The main goal is to get people to request a quote. Include a homepage, cake gallery, flavors page, about page, and contact form. Use warm, welcoming colors and make the site feel homemade rather than corporate. Now the platform has enough information to create something that fits the actual business. Once the blueprint is ready, tag Wix in the conversation. I'm going to say, @Wix, create a website using the approved blueprint above. Keep the page structure, text, brand style, and business goals we agreed on. If you're starting a new chat, paste the finished blueprint into the prompt and include @Wix there. The tag matters because it activates the Wix app. After you tag Wix, ChatGPT shows you the site it plans to build. If something is missing, refine the request right here. Add a page, remove one, change the audience, or adjust the style. When the plan looks right, create the site. Wix now generates a full website draft based on the conversation. You can preview it inside ChatGPT, open a full screen view, and then click Edit Site to continue in Wix Harmony. This is not a draft website built with code. It's a real Wix website in an account that you can continue editing. Before changing anything, take a few minutes to click through the website and see what Wix created. Check that all the pages from your plan are there. Look at the main headline, the order of the sections, the buttons, the colors, and the overall style. Don't worry about fixing every small detail yet. First, identify the big things that you want to change. Maybe the text sounds too formal, an important service is missing, or one section would be better somewhere else on the page. Once you know what needs attention, you can decide whether it would be faster to change it yourself or ask Aria. I'm still treating it as a draft until I've checked every page, link, image, and piece of text. But the website itself has already been created. I'm refining a real site instead of figuring out what to do with a bunch of code files. This is where the process gets practical. The core pages and sections from the blueprint are already here, so I'm not rebuilding the site one section at a time. I'm reviewing the draft and improving whatever needs attention. Wix Harmony is a hybrid editor. I can select an element and edit it directly with precise drag and drop controls, or I can ask Aria, Wix's built-in AI agent, to make a larger change for me. For example, I can replace a placeholder image with a real photo, adjust a headline until the size looks right, and connect the main button to the correct page or form. For small changes like these, doing it myself is immediate. I don't have to write a series of prompts just to make a small visual adjustments. For a bigger change, I can ask Aria in plain English. Let's say I want a 3-column section on the homepage for 3 of my YouTube channels. Each column needs a featured video, the channel name, and a short description. I can describe that to Aria and let her create the new section. Aria can create or redesign sections, adjust the colors, change the tone of the text, or help me work through the entire site. I still review the results, but I don't have to build each piece manually. That combination is the point. Use AI when it saves you time, and use the drag and drop editor when your eyes and your mouse are the faster tool. This also matters after your website is published. Your business is going to change. You might add a new service, change your hours, run a seasonal promotion, replace an old photo, or update your prices. You don't want to rebuild your website or contact a developer every time that happens. With Wix, you can come back into the drag and drop editor, click what you want to change, and update it yourself. If the change is larger, you can always ask Aria to help. That makes the website much easier to manage for a small business owner. A business website needs more than a good-looking homepage. With Wix, the website lives on a managed platform, and you have a direct path to the business tools your site may need. Things like forms, a store, bookings, payments, SEO tools, and analytics, without stitching together a different service for every job. You're working inside one website platform instead of turning a code file into a Frankenstein stack of hosting and integrations. Vibe coding tools can be excellent for custom apps and experiments. This is a different job. If your goal is a professional website that is easy for you to manage after launch, Wix gives you an AI website builder, a drag and drop editor, and all the business tools you need in the same place. Before publishing, go through the site page by page in the Wix editor. Replace any placeholder images. Check the AI written text. Test every button, link, and form. Confirm your contact details, policies, pricing, and offers. AI can move fast, but you're responsible for the final site. Next, open Preview. Check the desktop layout, then switch to mobile. Test the navigation, the main call to action, and any form or business feature that matters to your customers. Wix Harmony builds for different devices, but I always preview the mobile version of the website. Wix also has an SEO checklist that you can go through to help your new website show up in search results. When everything looks right, click Publish. You can publish on a free Wix URL. For a business site, you'll probably want a paid plan so you can connect your custom domain, remove Wix branding, and get access to any other features your business may need. And that's how you make a website with Wix in ChatGPT. Plan the site in a conversation, tag @Wix to generate it, refine it with Aria or drag and drop in Wix Harmony, then preview and publish. The website blueprint prompt I use is linked below, and you can use the Wix link in the description to start building your own site. If you want to see more of Wix's AI tools and how they can help after your website is live, watch this video next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.